off to a dry start this morning. Warm and muggy once again. Your numbers in the upper 70s to around 80. This is the third morning now that we've been experiencing this level of heat, and it feels warmer than the air temperature. We still have that humidity that's in place right now. It feels like 82 in Lima. And keep in mind, this is the coolest point of the day, and this is where we've been all night with those heat index temperatures. Many spots in the 80s. Feels like 82 in Paulding, 84 already in Defiance, 76, the cooler spot there in Bellefontaine this morning. We do have a cold front on the way. And that's the really good news, because we know a cold front, it's going to bring cooler weather with it, and we will really start to see that change come into the area by tomorrow. And even tonight, it's going to start feeling a lot better. We do have some increased clouds moving in. There will be a bit of an increase in clouds as we go deeper through the morning into the early afternoon. A little broken line of some showers, but look how unimpressive this is. It's really been falling apart as expected, and there will be that low chance as we go from later this morning into the early part of the afternoon for an isolated shower or a thunderstorm. But I do think many locations will remain dry today. It's still going to be hot, but not quite as hot, not as intense as it was yesterday and especially Tuesday, with this heat advisory that's in place for many counties throughout the day until midnight tonight. We will have heat index temperatures today between about 95 to, on the high end, we could see up to 100 in a few spots for that feels like temperature. Looking at the average 90-degree days per month, so far this month we've had 3, and today will be day number 4, the 4th day of seeing 90s this month here. As we look at, we normally see about 4, and we're going to add more to this next week. So it certainly looks like we're going to have more than the normal amount of days in the 90s this month. And we averaged the most 90s in the month of July, as we would expect, and that number goes down just a little bit as we go into August and September. So as we look at the humidity forecast, that's the big factor here and why it has felt so hot the past couple of days. It's still fairly muggy today, but notice here, even by this evening, it's starting to trail downward here, and by tomorrow morning, it is going to feel better. And tomorrow, the humidity is going to continue to drop all throughout the day, and we're looking at some very comfortable weather as we head into the weekend. In fact, it will be nice enough that we can shut off that AC for a couple of days and open up the windows and really enjoy some nice, refreshing weather. Here's your forecast as we go throughout today. I mentioned that chance for a shower. Look how isolated it is as we go into 11 a.m. There will be at least that threat for a spotty shower or storm. That front starts to sag south as we head into the afternoon. You can see by 3:30 there could be a spotty storm in our southern counties. As we head into the evening hours, skies will be sunny, and you're definitely going to notice some slightly less humidity once we get into those evening hours. And overnight tonight, we do start to cool down back into the 60s and near 70, and tomorrow we'll have that breezy northwest wind, a northwest wind helping to drive in that air from Canada. So it is going to feel a lot better on Friday. We're only expecting highs tomorrow to reach into the 80s, and it gets even cooler from there into the weekend. Let's take a look at that in your 7-day forecast. We're going to call for 92 today and a low of 69 tonight, 84 tomorrow, breezy but mostly sunny skies, mostly sunny, and 75 on Saturday, 53 Sunday morning. Enjoy a nice, refreshing weekend because it will start to heat up again next week.
Yeah, the OAC can use the break, can't it?
Exactly. Open those windows.
Gosh, all right.